This video is about the Matotek Task 2 Structure Content into Articles. With a simple example document, this second of 7 Matotek tasks will be shown. For this, I now open Matotek and get to the Task 2 Structure Content into Articles by the two previous and next buttons. Why are articles important and what are they good for? The content of an InDesign document is brought into a linear and logical structure by assigning it into articles. The structure should always be based on the natural reading flow in the document. The order of the content in the articles is transferred to the tag tree of a PDF document. Say it the other way around, the order of the tags in the PDF reflects the linear article order from InDesign. Screen readers are guided by the tag tree and derive their reading order from it. The contents of the tags in the tag tree are read out by screen readers according to their hierarchy. How are articles created, content added, and structured within articles? To begin, I also open the InDesign article window. It can be found under Window Articles and offers an overview of the articles. Here the articles are displayed and also the order can be edited here. For the demonstration I have already created an article. I will show the article assignment later again, step by step. The article assignment, by the way, remains saved in the InDesign document and can be revised at any time. The page layout of the InDesign file is not affected by the article assignment. If no article is created in the InDesign document at all, important Matotek features such as optimize anchored frames cannot be used. What advantages does Matotek offer over InDesign for this task? Matotek offers a set of tools and functions that make the article assignment more convenient and efficient. In the top area, the current status of the Open InDesign file is displayed. Here, Matotek lists all stories and images and shows how many objects are already linked into an article and how many are not. Stories and images that are not linked to an article are listed individually. Frames that may be accidentally assigned to more than one article are counted at the very bottom. In the drop-down menu Current Article, an already created article can be selected to, for example, create a preview of the article. Arrow keys under Go to the next frame, not yet in any article, will skip you to a free text or image frame in the document to assign it to an article. Link Frame to displays the article name of the selected object. The article name is also displayed here for thread text among frames and also for objects anchored in the text. In the next area, Link to, you find the two main tools for article assignment. Here you can connect the frames to a new article or to the currently selected one above. 4 buttons follow under Show Frame to visualize the article assignment in different ways. Text and image frames in the document can be shown or hidden. In Current Article, show only the frames that are in a currently selected article. All other frames are hidden. Not in Current Article inverts the display. All frames outside the current article will remain displayed. Not in any article highlights the free objects and hides all objects in articles. And all frames will show all frames. All hiding will be cancelled. At the very bottom, Matotek offers the possibility to create a preview of either the currently selected article or all articles. This preview shows the article structure in an HTML view. The goal in Task 2 is to structure all content-relevant elements in articles if possible. On the other hand, this also means that objects without content relevance should not be assigned to an article. All text and image frames without an article connection will automatically not appear in the PDF tag tree. Graphical elements such as background graphics or decorative elements can be excluded. Parent page objects, such as page numbers, can theoretically be assigned to an article, but they are usually not included in the PDF tag tree. The number of created articles in the document has no impact on the reading order. All the elements can either be structured in a single article, or multiple articles can be created, for example, chapter by chapter or even page by page. Matotek can also locate objects not assigned to any article in your InDesign document. The feature can be found under Locate Potential Problems. Start a search via the Execute button. All article-free objects will be found and can be selected directly to edit them. With the Matotek keyboard shortcuts, the described actions can be processed even more efficiently. The shortcuts are displayed in the flyout menu when the Use Matotek Shortcut Set checkbox is enabled. Finally, I will show the article assignment step by step. To do this, I will delete the already created article and reassign the items. In the status, I see now that no object is assigned. Next, I'll select each frame in the natural reading order and assign it to the articles. I'll select the first frame, in this case the headline, and choose Link Frame to New Article. Matotek then suggests an article name, which I confirm. So I go from frame to frame and include them to the created article. Next, I select the image and choose Link Frame to Current Article. After that, I do the same with the next frame, and now I select this text frame. So it goes on with the next item. In the meantime, I can check the article assignment. To do this, I show the frame not in current article. This way I can see that there are still elements without article assignment, so I still need to edit them. If these two frames are also assigned, the task is done. All content relevant frames are assigned. The result in the PDF looks like this in Acrobat. In Accessibility Tags, I can look at the tag tree and see that all elements are ordered correctly.